Water inlet pump replacement. Pry open the bottom holes with a tool. Disconnect the wires to the bottom cover. Remove the silver ring. Remove the other silver ring. Loosen the T-screws on the water inlet pump. Remove the old water inlet pump. Cut off the straps. Remove the black cover. Disconnect the wire. Install the wire of the new water inlet pump. Install the new silver ring. Install the other silver ring. Install the new water inlet pump. Use pliers to crimp the ring tightly. Install the T-screws on the water inlet pump. Install the black cover. Connect the wires to the bottom cover. Install the bottom cover.